Microphysiological systems have the ability to emulate pharmacokinetic and toxicological response of the human body to specific treatments of interest. Microphysiological systems have the potential to replace animal tests, as their use can improve the predictive power of in vitro methods and reduce the cost and time of pharmacokinetical and toxicological studies.
"24 hours before the test substance administration, split an 800 microliter aliquot of William E.S. medium between the larger and smaller compartments of the two-organ chip, and aspirate the basolateral and apical medium from each intestinal barrier equivalent in the prepared 24-well plates. Using sterile forceps, integrate one insert per two-organ chip circuit into the larger compartment, and add 200 microliters of DMEMS to the apical side. Using wide-bore tips, integrate 20 liver equivalents per circuit into the smaller compartment of the two-organ chip and connect the system to the control unit. Then connect the control unit to a pressurized air supply and set the pressure to approximately plus or minus 300 bars and a pumping frequency of 0.3 Hz. The next day, dilute the stock acetaminophen solution to a 12 micromolar concentration. To replace the medium in the system, aspirate the basolateral and apical media from the